The dreams of a 60-year-old Argentina beauty contestant ended abruptly in a dazzling hedge of sequins and selfies. Alejandra Marisa Rodriguez, a hospital legal advisor, had entered the competition to become the oldest Miss Universe contestant in history, cheered on as a symbol of triumph over ageism in a youth-obsessed world. Although she fell short of the Miss Argentina crown, Rodriguez took home the title of Best Face, one of several categories including Best Evening Gown, Best Swimsuit, and Most Elegant. If you enjoyed this story about breaking barriers and redefining beauty standards, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon to stay updated on more inspiring stories like Alejandra Rodriguez's incredible journey. Margly Benajam, a 29-year-old model from Villa Maria, Córdoba, has been selected to represent Argentina in the Miss Universe 2024 pageant in Mexico. On Saturday, she won the Miss Argentina title in front of a cheering audience in Buenos Aires, featuring 28 semi-finalists from various regions including the provinces, Antarctica, the Atlantic coast, the Andes, and the South Atlantic Islands. Benajam, who also studies coaching and astrology, praised the competition's new inclusivity in an interview with CNN. The event also drew attention for the participation of 60-year-old Alejandra Rodriguez, who made history as the first woman of her age to win a Miss Universe franchise pageant, having secured the Miss Universe Buenos Aires title. The pageant has recently eliminated its age limit and now welcomes married, divorced, and pregnant women, as well as mothers. The competition concluded with runners-up Yona Dawn and Celine Bublitz, and the outgoing Miss Argentina, Yamile Dajud, passing the crown to Benajam. Additionally, Alejandra Rodriguez received the Best Face award. In related news, former Miss Argentina Mariana Varela and Miss Puerto Rico Fabiola Valentin revealed on social media that they got married on 28 October after a private relationship. The couple, who met at the Miss Grand International pageant, shared romantic images and videos from their journey together. Valentin, 22, was a top 3 finalist in Miss Universe Puerto Rico 2019 and a top 10 finisher in Miss Grand International 2020. Varela, 26, was Miss Universe Argentina in 2019 and also placed in the top 10 at Miss Grand International 2020. Alejandra Marisa Rodriguez, a 60-year-old legal advisor from La Plata, saw her dream of becoming the oldest Miss Universe contestant fade in a blaze of sequins and selfies at Argentina's annual beauty pageant. Despite falling short of the Miss Argentina crown, Rodriguez, celebrated as a symbol of triumph over ageism, clinched the Best Face title among other categories like Best Evening Gown and Most Elegant. Rodriguez had garnered massive media attention last month after winning the Miss Buenos Aires competition, thanks to the Miss Universe pageant's decision to lift its age limit. This victory propelled her into the spotlight, where she became an icon for older women, sharing skincare tips and proving that age is just a number. I believe a new door has opened for many people who perhaps did not have it easy, Rodriguez stated backstage, still glowing in her red cocktail dress. It was an adventure, and I had no expectations other than taking on a new challenge. In the swimsuit segment, Rodriguez gracefully donned a modest one-piece with a shawl, while the crowd cheered. However, the judges favored 29-year-old Margly Benajam from Córdoba, who sizzled in a skimpy blue bikini and stilettos, ultimately winning Miss Argentina. Benajam will represent Argentina in the global competition in Mexico City this November. Benajam's victory would have been impossible last year, as the pageant previously capped contestant age at 28. This year marked the first time in its 73-year history that Miss Universe welcomed contestants over 18, reflecting ongoing changes to the contest, which has faced feminist criticism since the 1968 Miss America protests. In recent years, Miss Universe has overhauled its eligibility requirements, embracing married, pregnant, lesbian, and transgender women while removing all mentions of beauty from its website. Yet, the emphasis on youth remained until now. While Rodriguez's bold move inspired many, it also sparked debate about setting unrealistic standards for older women. Her youthful appearance and flawless features led some to argue that it implied all 60-year-old women should look as if they were 25. It's contributing to a sense that everyone should be able to look like this, said Argentine feminist activist Lala Pasquinelli. If they don't, it's because they aren't willing to make the sacrifices. Rodriguez's journey highlights the evolving landscape of beauty pageants and challenges societal norms, proving that confidence and elegance are timeless qualities. Alejandra Marisa Rodriguez was born on 2 August 1963 in La Plata, a city just south of Buenos Aires, Argentina. From a young age, she exhibited a strong sense of justice and a passion for helping others. This drive led her to pursue a career in law, where she has worked for several decades as a legal advisor at a local hospital. Balancing a demanding career and family life, Rodriguez never imagined that one day she would step onto a beauty pageant stage, let alone aim for the Miss Universe title. In April 2024, the Miss Buenos Aires competition marked a pivotal moment in Rodriguez's life. The Miss Universe organization had recently eliminated its long-standing age limit, a decision that allowed Rodriguez to compete. Her participation was celebrated as a triumph over ageism in a youth-obsessed world. Despite her initial nerves, Rodriguez won the Miss Buenos Aires title, capturing the hearts of judges and audiences alike with her poise, elegance, and confidence. Her victory garnered significant media attention, making her an overnight sensation. In April 2024, the Miss Buenos Aires competition marked a pivotal moment in Rodriguez's life. The Miss Universe organization had recently eliminated its long-standing age limit, a decision that allowed Rodriguez to compete. Her participation was celebrated as a triumph over ageism in a youth-obsessed world. Despite her initial nerves, Rodriguez won the Miss Buenos Aires title, capturing the hearts of judges and audiences alike with her poise, elegance, and confidence. Her victory garnered significant media attention, making her an overnight sensation. Buenos Aires. This event was historic not only for Rodriguez but also for the Miss Universe organization, which was welcoming contestants over the age of 28 for the first time in its 73-year history. Rodriguez's journey symbolized a broader cultural shift, emphasizing that beauty, confidence, and grace are not confined to youth. The Miss Argentina competition was a spectacular event filled with glitter, glamour, and high emotions. Rodriguez competed against 27 other contestants, showcasing her beauty, intelligence, and charisma across various categories including evening gown, swimsuit, and talent. Despite the fierce competition, Rodriguez stood out. During the swimsuit portion, she wore a modest one-piece suit with a shawl draped over her shoulders, exuding elegance and sophistication. Her choice contrasted sharply with the more revealing outfits of her younger competitors, yet she received loud cheers and applause from the audience. Though Rodriguez fell short of the ultimate title of Miss Argentina, she did not leave empty-handed. She was awarded the title of Best Face, a recognition of her striking features and timeless beauty. This accolade was a testament to her ability to compete on equal footing with much younger contestants. The crown went to Margly Benejam, a 29-year-old actress and model from Cordoba. Despite her disappointment, Rodriguez remained gracious and optimistic, expressing gratitude for the experience and the opportunity to inspire others. The changes in the Miss Universe pageant rules reflect a broader trend towards inclusivity and diversity. The pageant has been a lightning rod for feminist criticism since the 1968 Miss America contest, where burgeoning protests highlighted the objectification of women. While many praised Rodriguez's decision to compete at age 60, not everyone viewed it positively. Some critics argued that her participation set an unrealistic standard for older women. Rodriguez's statuesque figure, smooth skin, and sculpted features made her blend in seamlessly with younger contestants, leading some to question whether she was promoting an unattainable ideal of ageless beauty. Argentine feminist activist Lala Pasquinelli voiced concerns that Rodriguez's appearance might pressure older women to maintain a youthful look through potentially extreme measures. Despite the mixed reactions, Rodriguez remains steadfast in her belief that age should not define a woman's worth or capabilities. She emphasizes that her participation was not about setting a new standard but about breaking existing barriers and challenging societal norms. In her own words, "As a result of what happened to me, I believe a new door has opened for many people who perhaps did not have it easy." Her journey is about embracing new challenges and demonstrating that beauty and confidence can flourish at any age. Alejandra Marisa Rodriguez's journey from a legal advisor to a beauty pageant contestant is a powerful reminder that dreams have no expiration date. Her story challenges us to reconsider our perceptions of beauty, age, and capability. Rodriguez stands as a beacon of change, proving that confidence, elegance, and spirit are timeless qualities. As we move forward, her legacy will undoubtedly inspire many to pursue their passions and redefine what it means to be beautiful at any age. Alejandra Rodriguez's journey is not just a personal triumph, it is a broader victory for inclusivity and diversity in the world of beauty pageants. Her participation and success in the Miss Buenos Aires and Miss Argentina competitions are milestones that signal a shift towards a more inclusive and accepting society. As Rodriguez continues to inspire others with her story, she paves the way for future generations to break free from age-related constraints and pursue their dreams with confidence and grace. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through Alejandra Marisa Rodriguez's inspiring story. Her unwavering determination and grace remind us that beauty knows no age limits. As we celebrate her achievements, let's also reflect on the broader implications of her journey. Let's continue to support and uplift each other, breaking down barriers and challenging stereotypes. Until next time, remember that dreams are timeless and age is just a number.